Welcome friends. In this video tutorial we will learn how to give style to our font or text font. We will use similar document which we have used in previous tutorial. So font property contains different font styles, like we can give font family to our font style. In style we can give italic, oblique or normal. We can set also font size. We can set also font weight, by which we can set bold, bolder, lighter or any value to font. So let's see. So I want to set font family of H1 tag. So write font family and give value to font family. Now font size also can be set. We can set font size by giving value, giving pixel value and giving emphasize value. So I want to give font size value in pixel. I want to give to 30 pixel to font size. Now if you want to give font style, like if you want to give italic, oblique or normal, then you can give by using the font style. So I want to give italic style. We can also give font weight. So in paragraph I want to give font weight to bolder. So to give bolder, write font hyphen weight and write bolder. Here we can pass value also to font weight from 100 to 900, and we can pass bold, bolder, lighter, these three value and value from 100 to 900. So let's see effect of this font style in our H1 tag and paragraph tag. We can see the font family of H1 is set to the value which we have given to font family, and the font weight of paragraph is bolder and it is in italic style. Now let's set font size property of paragraph, font size to 40 pixel, and let's see what happens. We can see size of paragraph is increased by 40 pixel. So this is how we can decorate or set various font style property. So this is about font styling. Thank you.